In this video, I'll show you how to save tabs in Chrome when shutting down. To get started, go ahead and open your Google Chrome on your device. Now click on the top right corner of your screen presented by these three dots. Under this, go ahead and click on Settings. Now on your settings, go ahead and head over into the On Startup tab, which you'll find at the left side of your screen. Now set this into continue where you left off to be able to save your open tabs on Chrome if you accidentally shut your device down while using Chrome. So this will allow you to simply pick up where you left off on that specific websites that you have on your browser once you reopen your laptop and Google Chrome. So that's basically how you can save tabs in Chrome when shutting down. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.